In this tutorial, let us learn about Java typecasting. Typecasting is when you assign a value of one primitive data types to another type. In Java, there are two types of casting. Widening casting, automatically converting a smaller type to a larger type size, byte, short, character, integer, long, float, double. Narrowing casting, manually converting a larger type to a smaller size type, double, float, long, int, character, short, byte. Widening casting, is done automatically when passing a smaller size type to a larger size type. See here, it is automatically casting into double. See 9.0. Narrowing casting must be done manually by placing the type in the parenthesis in front of the value. See here, now we are giving some parenthesis. Int, my double, explicit casting double to int, manual casting double to int. See 9.789. Okay friends, this is the end of Java part 6, Java typecasting. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Java operators. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.